Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your TCL Linkhub Wi-Fi name and password. So first, what you guys want to do is go over, and here we are in the home section. So we want to go to settings and go to Wi-Fi. Now we're gonna go to basic, and here we have wireless network name, which is our Wi-Fi name. Here we have TCL B591. We can change it to TCL, let's say hard reset. So we're gonna put it like this. And of course, we got our Wi-Fi password, which is random. And I wouldn't change it because this password is really easy to remember. Everybody got either the same password or they're just randomly generated. So I wouldn't recommend changing them. But if you really need to change it, you can. As you guys can see, all you can do is just apply those settings, and you may need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi SSID after making changes. And if we want to continue, we just click on OK. As you guys can see, now everything's loading up, and I'll show you how that looks on my device. So we are still waiting on a connection. We are still waiting for it to be here. Now, as you guys can see, I really hope that you can see this, but here we have TCL hard reset. We got our network, and now let me quickly enter the password, and you will see that we are successfully connected to the network. So as you guys can see, we are connected. So it is checking for the internet access now. It says that there's no internet access, but I know that there is. Here we have our TCL hard reset, and it is finally working. So of course, you can change it back and forth. You can have fun with it. You can name it however you would like to, but I would recommend just keeping the normal name. If you ever want to get back to the normal name, here you will have it at the bottom close to the SSID. So here we have B591, so it's B591. Now we can put it away again, and after just entering the password, sorry, not password but the SSID, we can click on apply, and the same thing will happen. We will have to reconnect, and that's how you guys can change the Wi-Fi name and password. Of course, let me quickly add a letter, for example. Now we can click on apply, and it will still work. So that's how it is. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.